This is the Frugal Gardener. This is a really short video. I'm in the process of transplanting my starters into my crate containers for the fall and early winter. This is just a few of the collard greens and the cabbage. I have to cover these up. I'm keeping these covered because of the deer. So while I was doing this, it occurred to me that one of the things I did not really cover much with you guys is how to not just protect your uh, plants from the deer, but also from the elements. But one thing, probably one of the most important things that you need to keep tabs on is the temperature, because there are going to be some nights where it's going to get pretty cold. Now, I've been using this for probably close to 10 years now. And I never mentioned, well, very rarely mention it because they used to be pretty expensive, $30, $40. And that's this. These are indoor-outdoor thermometers, and the prices have really come down. This guy, I can't find the ones that I have because I recently moved. So I picked this up from Amazon, and this is only $9.95. I don't know how long it will last or how good it is, but basically this goes in the greenhouse, or in my case, it's going to be the trough that I'm using this year in place of the greenhouse, or in the mini greenhouse, the tower that I'm building. At any rate, wherever the area is that you want to have your plants, your brassicas, whatever it is you're growing, carrots, whatever it may be, you want to keep control, you want to keep tabs on what the temperature is, because if the temperature drops too low, it could be a problem. Well, it will be a problem. Now, the beauty of this is, yes, this goes outside, but this goes inside. This goes with you. This stays indoors so that you don't have to keep running in and out and opening and closing your uh, structure to see what the temperature is. So like I said, I've used these for years, and this is something that I highly recommend you get. And I don't care what brand you get. I don't care where you get it from, but you should have at least one of these. I have 3 of these um, troughs over here. I don't need 3 because whatever the temperature is in one, it's going to probably be pretty similar in the other 2. This is the tower that I'm working on, but that is going to mimic this pretty much. So this will give me a pretty good idea of what the temperature is during the day and also at night. So I just wanted to do a quick video on that so that you guys could be aware and also prepared and pick up 1 or 2 of these bad boys so that you can protect your hard-earned work and your investment. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Catch you guys in the next video. Remember, when you grow your own food, you will always know where it comes from. You guys have a great day.